Welcome everybody. We have already uploaded a video to explain this method, but we noticed that many viewers could not activate WhatsApp. Others responded that the method is false, so we made this video to confirm the success of the method, in addition to adding some new important points. Requirements: VPN app for user from outside of USA. Textplus app, latest version. WhatsApp fresh installation. Wi-Fi network. First, download and install the Textplus app. Don't open it until you change browsing location to USA, otherwise, delete the app cache and data from application settings. Because I'm installing the Textplus app, so I will make a cloned copy for app. You can bypass this step if you have a copy of the program not opened yet. Second, install a new copy of WhatsApp. Don't open it until you change browsing location to USA, otherwise, delete the app cache and data from application settings, then force stop the app. Because I'm installing two copies of the WhatsApp, official and modified, so I will make a third copy from the modified one, using Lucky Patcher app, as the official WhatsApp not support modification by this method. You can bypass this step if you have a copy of the program not verified yet. Also, you can download another modified WhatsApp from provided links on video description. Also, you can use this method to install second or third or fourth WhatsApp in your phone and so on. Third, download and install any VPN app. Disable the cellular data, 3G or 4G, in your mobile and connect to the internet through Wi-Fi network only. Open the VPN app, and change your browsing location into USA country. Don't open the WhatsApp and Textplus apps until you change your browsing location to USA. Also, and as extra action, disable GPS, to hide your real location. Open Chrome or other internet browser, rather than Opera or UC browsers, and go to ip8.com website and make sure that your location had been changed to USA. Now, it will be safe to open the Textplus app to obtain a USA number, then to open WhatsApp app as well, to verify using the USA number. On this video I have included 2 attempts. On the first one, I have intentionally failed to verify WhatsApp, but I succeeded on the second, and between failure and successful attempts, there are an important steps that you should perform before you retry again. Fourth, failed attempt with the solution. Open the Textplus app and register new account. Request a new USA number and copy the new number. Enter 1 in area code to select USA country, then paste the new number. As you see, WhatsApp had not accept this number. If you have failed on the first attempt, or have opened the WhatsApp and or Textplus apps before changing browsing location to USA, you should clear the cache, clear data, and force stop of one or both apps before you try again as on the next steps. Fifth, successful attempt. Check again that you still browsing from USA country. Open Chrome or other internet browser, rather than Opera or UC browsers, and go to ip8.com website and make sure that your location had been changed to USA. Open the Textplus app and register new account. Navigate to the lower part of the state list and select one from there. From area code option, select one code with the largest value or the one that is at the lower part of the list. Check again that you turn the mobile cellular data and GPS off. Don't worry if you see this error message, as you will use the call method for verification. Press Call Me option, then wait for the call until it closed. You will be unable to answer this call, so just wait and don't end it. Open the Textplus app, go to the voicemail option, download the voice message, play the voice message, and record the verification number that you will hear.
Your verification code is 289355. Your verification code is 289355. Your verification code is 289355. Your verification code is 289355.
Yes. It's working, and we are not liars. If you are failed, it's your problem. So don't blame us or dislike the video, instead, put your question and be sure we will help you. Also, we could send you an account with working number only if you have a problem prevent you from applying all the steps. If you are unable to do these steps, we cannot help you, as you will fail to apply our help as well. Thanks for watching. If you have got this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. If it's not helpful, you can add your question in comments and we will help you immediately.